Hello, this is SWIC librarian Jennifer Bone from the Belleville campus, and I'm going to show you how to use our brand new library catalog. To get to the library catalog, you have to first get to the SWIC library website. To do that, you can just go to swic.edu, hover over Student Services, and select Library. When you get on the library page, you can just scroll down and get to our blue search widget. You'll see there's 3 tabs across the top. To search the library catalog for books and movies that you can use for research, go ahead and click on the Books and Movies tab. To search, all you have to do is click on the search button. Now, a lot of students don't want to use books for research because they say, why would I want to read 300 pages on my topic when I can get an article that's just 3? Please know that if you use a book for research, you should really only use a paragraph out of it, or maybe a chapter. You should take some notes about what facts in that book are best, but please know that your instructor does not expect you to read that book from page 1 to page 327. So just use it as a reference and pick out the facts from that book just like you would from an article. Now, when you're looking for books or videos in here, you'll see that there is a search box right across the top. This is where you can type in your topic. So if I type in women and combat, I can see that there are several options that come up. I can search everything, I can search articles, I can search the library catalog, which is where our books and movies are located. I can search all iShare libraries, and what that looks at is 88 college and university libraries throughout the state of Illinois. They put their material in here, so if you wanted to request books from another college, they'll send it here for you for free. So it's a really cool service that we have. All you have to do is click a button that you want to request it and have it sent here. Now, you won't really need to search the course reserves because those are usually textbooks for classes that are located behind the front desk. So a lot of your topics won't be in those textbooks in those classes. And then it has the EBSCO and the WorldCat here. EBSCO is an article database and WorldCat is actually a worldwide catalog. But if we just start by searching everything, here is what our results list looks like. You'll see that right at the very top, I have 124,888 results on my topic. So there's a lot of things that are coming up, and mixed in here, I'm going to find articles. You'll see that identified at the top right above the title. You'll see that you're going to find some books. Now this looks like it might be a book, but it's actually an article from this particular book. There's going to be a book here that'll have the picture on it. So just know that they're all going to be mixed up together. Now the articles that you're going to find in here, a lot of them are going to say open access. They might be ones that are found out on the web. Some of them might not be open access, but it says available online if that's an article, and they would go through the research databases. Now sometimes when you're using this source, the articles might not always connect as they should. This library catalog is new, and we as your librarians are working hard to make sure that all the connections are successful in here, but we just got our hands on this catalog a month ago. So if you hit a dead end trying to get your hands on something, please let us know. We'll be able to find it for you, but know that not everything is perfect just yet because we're still busy setting it up. Now, if you wanted to get one of these books, you can let us know that you want the book from the comfort of your own home. You don't actually have to come into the library to tell us you want the book. You can just come in to pick it up. So if you are wanting this book right here, Women in Combat, Civic Duty or Military Liability, you can click either on the title or on the Available At link underneath. It's going to take you to a page that gives you information at the top that we saw on the front page. And then right here, it'll say, here's the location at the Belleville Campus Library. Now you can always stop in and tell us you want this book and have the call number, or if you just want to sign in and let us know electronically you want this book, we'll have it waiting behind the front desk. So you can click on sign in. You can identify yourself as a SWIC user. You'll see it's thinking right here. Now to request it, you just follow right here where it says request and click on the request button. This will allow you to select your pickup location. Now your home location, for some reason right now, it's putting your home location at the bottom of the list, and that's something that they're trying to change in the catalog, that the state of Illinois is trying to change, but you'll have to scroll all the way down to the bottom to select it. Select your pickup location by selecting the campus that you want to visit, and then you want to do the paper airplane and send the request directly to our front desk at the library. Once that gets sent, they'll be receiving it. It'll say your request was successfully placed, so you'll know that it's going to be, there's someone running out to the shelves right now picking it up for you as long as we're not too busy. So that's great to know that those requests have been set for you. You can go back to your results page and look at all of the other items that you need. Now on the right hand side, there's a way to tweak your results. You can look at what's available. You can see available online. You can do the checkbox. Peer-reviewed journals. Those are journals where it's written by scholars in the field, usually for other scholars, but it's a way that you can kind of limit those down. Any articles that are open access. And if it's held by Belleville Library or Granite City or Redbud Library, you can click on that checkbox, go down here to apply filters, and you'll see all of these items are going to be ones that are available at your local libraries and that can be transferred over here really quickly from Granite in just one day. If you just want to search your selected campus, you can go over here and click on Belleville Campus Library, and you'll see a number in parentheses. That means there are 65 books that are going to be on my topic located here. So I can say, yes, I'd like to see those 65 items. And this is what comes up. So just know that this is a way to search for items that might be on your topic. Now it's looking for the words women and it's looking for the word combat. So those are going to be searched in the table of contents and in the title. If I click on the title of the book that I just ordered, I can look at information about the book. And if I scroll down to the details, I can see that there is the title and the creator, which is the author, but they also have these subjects as well. So a subject heading is like a hashtag on a tweet. So it's a way to organize comments about the same topic is how you do it in a tweet, but we use subject headings on how to organize books or videos on the same topics as well. So I can see over here, one of the topics that is listed, or the subject, is women in combat in the United States. So instead of searching for just the word women and the word combat, and you'll see those are underlined, if I want to look for books that are specifically labeled with that subject, I can do that and it'll say, okay, so you're going to look for the subject women in combat in the United States, and I can say, yes, please search that. And then I get my new list right down here. Again, if I want to do my source types, and if I say I want to look at the books, I can check the box right there and apply the filters. If I want to change it, and I'll say, okay, so we only really have 8 items that really are labeled with that particular subject heading, I can go up to the very top of the page and say, instead of searching everything, can I search all iShare libraries? And I can search there. And then I can see my results are different. I get 46 results that are available. I can change over here to books. I can apply my filter. And I can see all of these are available. So as I'm searching for things, I can look for women in the military. If I wanted to order it, I can just click on iShare. And I can see it's already saved my Belleville campus location, my preferred pickup, and then I can just send my request. Now sometimes it takes a little bit of time to process, but you want to wait for that little green box to show up. Now if you have any questions or concerns, you also, before I leave, can get the citation for your book just by clicking on the little quotation marks right here, and you can copy your citation to the clipboard and place it where you need. Remember, if you have any questions on how the library works, you can just go to the SWIC Library website, and underneath the picture is the Contact Us link. And right here is going to be our emails and our phone numbers, and we're always happy to help. So happy researching, and we hope to hear from you soon.